just got to my sister's house, and the first thing I saw were these and this one over here. How freaking cool is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm forever knocking these ones over. I'm forever knocking these over. And I still have not up-potted these. I know, I'm a horrible person. I don't remember what this is. This one is cucumbers. I have the green part of the tomatoes growing right here. Like the tomatoes, well, not the green part. The tomatoes are green right now, so they're growing slowly but surely. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, look at that zucchini. Okay, come through, zucchini. This is this tomato plant look like it's on drugs, baby. What is going on? It's looking a little skimpy compared to these ones. What is even going on? I just realized my marigolds blew. Oh, yay, my marigolds. Yay. I just realized that. Yay. I haven't been over here in 2 or 3 days. I told myself I'm going to stop obsessing over them. So I had to not keep coming over. I don't know what this is. I don't see any sticks in there either. But let's see. Oh, you know what? Let's go into the greenhouse. Okay. Yay. They're drying out so nicely. Okay, yeah, they're drying. Yay! I'm excited about that. And let's see, these are beets. My 1 carrot. This is this gotta be zucchini because I can't, or squash. Yeah, because I can't stand the way their leaves feel. But that 1 zucchini, okay. This is cauliflower. I don't know what that is. Radishes. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh my gosh, look at this zucchini. I mean, not zucchini, look at this squash. I was literally just over here the other day and they were not this big. That is so freaking amazing. Let's see, what is this one? This says zucchini. Maybe those other ones that don't have no name on them are zucchini as well. Honest. What the heck was digging in my stuff? Oh no. Something about to catch these hands, because what the heck? Something is about to catch these hands, baby. Yeah, okay. He was trying to lace some stuff. Oh, look at my lettuce. Oh my God, y'all. I'm so excited about everything. Look at my lettuce. I am so excited. Still wait. I think I'm going to just pull all of these up. Like I did the one in the greenhouse over there. I think I'm going to just pull all these up because they're never going to go like dry out while they're still in here is what I'm thinking. But tomato plant back there, I don't know if I cut this off or what. I don't know what that's about. Let's see. Tomato. Oh, look, there's a little cute little tomato down there. You see the little cutesy? Aww. I'm so excited. Oh, my freaking pepper plants are still on the struggle bus. Still on the struggle bus. Bless their hearts. Bless their hearts. This one is starting to flower. This is a jalapeno. But it's still looking so skinny and weak. Like, I don't know if I should cut those flowers off or what. Oh, poor things. Grapevine. Still haven't up-potted it. But look at these grapes. Yay. I think that's the only cluster of grapes on this. Potatoes are doing fine. And I think that's it. I think that's all. These are, I can't remember what this is. Is this broccoli? Yeah, this is broccoli. I could not remember what this was. These are broccoli, and I'm going to have to pull these ones up, too, because they're never going to dry out if I just leave them in here, obviously, because what the heck? It's been a minute. But, yeah, I'm excited. Garlic, I don't know how I'm supposed to know garlic is finished. Let me know in the comments down below when I can tell garlic is finished, because I honestly don't know. What is this? It was something else in here. Oh, I guess just my marigolds, lettuce, potatoes, and garlic. I don't know why I thought something else was in there. I guess not. But yeah, everything is looking so awesome. I can't believe the squash. I am so happy. Did I already say radishes? Again, I do not like the taste of radishes, so I told my sister to pick them. She said she was going to pick them because she likes them, but me, it's a no for me. Anyways, you guys, I know this was another short video. I might come out this weekend, and I don't know. I literally have nothing to do in the garden. All I'm about to do right now is water it, and yeah, that's about it. I have nothing else to do in the garden because everything is growing so nicely. I already fed it the beginning of this month, so yeah, I don't need to feed it again. Oh yeah, I will record myself a potting these. So yeah, that's what I will do this weekend. So I maybe hopefully have a longer video, but yeah, we shall see. Anyways, you guys, thank you so very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.